Hi friends, how are you? This is Shekri and welcome to our channel Shekri's Garden. Friends, today I am going to show you these Dendrobium orchids, and I am having more than 40 of these Dendrobium orchids in different colors. But right now only these 3 plants are in blooming stage, and so that is the reason I am making video of these 3 plants only to show you these beautiful blooms. Okay, coming to the details, Dendrobium is a genus of mostly epiphytic and lithophytic orchids in the family Orchidaceae. It is a very large genus containing more than 1800 species that are found in much of South Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia, including China, Japan, India, Philippines, Indonesia, Australia, New Guinea, Vietnam and in many of islands of Pacific. Orchids in this genus have roots that creep over the surface of trees or rocks, rarely having their roots in soil. Up to 6 leaves develop in a tuft at the tip of a shoot and forms 1 to a large number of flowers that are organized along an unbranched flowering stem. Even though several attempts have been made to separate Dendrobium into a smaller genera, they have not been accepted by the World Checklist of selected plant families. Okay, coming to the care and growing conditions, these plants need lots of light but not direct sunlight. A lightly shaded south window is best if grown in indoors. These plants like strong and natural sunlight. They love full morning and late afternoon sun, but will do best if the light is somewhat filtered between 11 am and 3 pm. They can grow in lower light conditions too, but they don't bloom well. If we see yellow leaves, then the plant is getting too much direct sun and we need to move it to a partially shady area. Okay, coming to the watering, they should be given water as they approach dryness. This can vary from 2 to 5 days depending upon the media that we use and the place where it is placed, and we should water them depending on humidity, air movement and size of the pot, etc. It is best to water in the morning so that the leaves can dry before night. We should let the water run through the plant for a minute or so. We should be sure to let the plant drain completely. Overwatering is more harmful to Dendrobium orchids than underwatering. Yellow leaves can also be a sign of too much water or too little water. They need to be fertilized regularly when they are in active growth. Fertilizing every 2 to 3 weeks during the summer months and once a month in winters will give best results. For growth, we can use NPK 20-20-20. That is, we can get in any of the fertilizer shops. NPK 20-20-20, and the ratio is 1 gram per liter of water should be mixed well and should be given as a spray for every 15 days. NPK 20-20-20, 1 gram per 1 liter water and should be sprayed for every 15 days. And for blooming, we need to give high phosphorus fertilizer like MPK 052-34 of MPK, that is high phosphorus fertilizer. The mix is also 1 gram per liter of water and it should be mixed well and given as a spray for every 15 days. So we need to give different sprays for growth and for bloom. We should remember this. And for growth 15 days and for blooming after 15 days. That is, in a month, if we give on 1st of this month for growth, if we give NPK 20-20-20, and after that on 15th we should give this NPK again. And if in the blooming season, we should give high phosphorus fertilizer as I said before, that is MPK 052-34 this month on the 1st and after 15 days again, that is for blooming. So if we maintain giving fertilizer like I said in the above, the plant growth will be very good, and blooming also will come too good. And okay, I think you like this video. If you do so, please give us a like, and if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.